Hello everybody, you might hear some background noise on this one because this is from the video I done the other day, the Morrisons soup and the homemade bread. You can see the bread machine, so you might hear it going, but the lads are having this one for tea and we're having that. I don't even know what that's going to come out like. You'll probably watch it by the time this comes out, but let me show you what we're going to do on this one. Morrisons KFC, that's what we're going to do. Each one of these was £3 on the sale. Hot and spicy chicken wings. That's what we got in this one. Chicken strips, dippers and poppets in that one. And we got southern fried chicken thighs in that one. That's what we're going to do. And I've also got some skin on fries. That was £1.75 from Morrisons. So I've looked at the instructions already. They've got to go in first. They're 40 to 45 minutes for chicken thighs. I'm going to do it all in the oven so I can get it all in there. You can see. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, let's open the chicken thighs up first then. Let's have a quick look. I don't know how many you get in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got 5 of them chicken thighs. I'll put them to one side in a minute. Once I get them on the trays, I'll show you. Now we've got hot and spicy chicken wings, 2 chilies it says, new recipe, I don't know, I've never had them before, so I couldn't tell you. There's the chicken wings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, about 12 altogether roughly. That's them. Let's try and open this up. The bucket. Somehow. Get it open. Get it open. I'm trying to rush before that bread machine comes back on. That's what I'm trying to do. Can't get this. There we go. Now, say all this together, £10.75 as your poppets, your strips, and your dippers. They're not going in yet. And my fries I'm just going to do in the air fryer anyway. I was going to do it all in the air fryer, but then it's a bit more time consuming with putting everything in different times, and I know I've got to do it in the oven, but it should all cook at the same time in the oven properly then. So I've got my oven on, got it warmed up. I've got my pans warming up. There's the one pan, if you can see. So we're going to get the chicken thighs in first. I know this one might be all over the place, guys, but I'm trying to rush it a little bit to get the stuff in. Have a good look at the chicken thighs now. Oh, there goes one. 3-second rule, ain't it? 3-second rule. They're quite big actually. Oh, that one's not very big, but you've got a couple of big ones. There's 5 of them. They're going to go in there for about 15 minutes, and then I'll put the wings in then. Right guys, now we're going to get these within 15 minutes. Easy. Now I'm going to put the hot chicken wings next to them. And I've just tried to start editing some stuff and my PC sound's just packed in. I've got to have a look at that, so I'm hoping I can get this uploaded. We'll have to order some more stuff. There's the chicken wings, hot and spicy, if you can see them. Oh, there we go. Hope he's in the camera. I'm going to push them to the side. They look smell quite nice, them do. Get them in there. That side. They will go back in. Okay, skin on fries. Let's open them up now. Let's have a quick look at them before they go in the air fryer in a bit. there they are there, look. Oh, keep dropping things today. We've got to put them in a couple of minutes. And then the poppets and the nuggets for the last 10. So I'll get the air fryer warmed up now. Well guys, I'm going to get the fries in the air fryer. And I'm going to get the strips in the oven. There's them. I'll get another tray out. I can't get my PC sound working at the minute. I keep trying. So when you see this now, I don't know. There's the strips. Don't get many strips, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we've got the chicken nuggets and the poppets to get in for the last 10. Okay, now we're on to the chicken nuggets and the poppets. There's the chicken nuggets. You don't get many chicken nuggets in that, do you, look? You don't get many at all. And the poppets are here. There, yeah. Chicken nuggets are a bit thingy, ain't they? And the strips. But anyway, I'm going to leave it all in now to cook. Right guys, there's the southern fry, the thighs and the wings. And here is the poppets, the nuggets and the strips. And there we go guys, I've filled 2 of these up. I put some kitchen paper under there, I'll give them all a white paint. And I put a few chicken, what they're called, chicken thighs, chicken wings, poppets and all that, all in there. Bit in each one for the lads. Because we ain't got a KFC by us. I mean, they are just building one now, so. Well, there you go, look. Right. Well, I'll give them all the lads. So I'm just going to try these few. Well, I'm not going to try to eat it all. Because I've got some cooking, which is from the video the other day. Well, the looks of things, it doesn't look like it works. I don't know. Till it's finished. Anyway, let's do the strip first. Little bit chewy. Not bad though, not bad. A poppy. Chicken thigh. This is still going to be hot, I think. Nice crunch. Chicken's juicy as well. Okay. Guys, finger. You don't like KFC though, do you? Let me try hot and spicy chicken wing, Bab. Because it doesn't know that other video is going to work. Hot and spicy chicken wing.
Try a chicken nugget thing at the back.
A little nice little kick. Nice and juicy as well.
They're quite nice. They're quite nice actually.
Yeah, so all in all, got to kick that as, yeah? Yeah, so all in all, I say it was another one, because I'm doing this one. £3 a box I got them for. And the chips, that was £1.75, so £10.75p. Oh, got a burn now. I think that's well worth it for the convenience. I really do. You can make your own, can't you? Oh God. I did give them quite a lot of them to the lads because I thought, well, you know, they're going to eat them. But all in all, yeah, there you go. It's probably all over the place because I'm doing two things at once. I'm going to apologise, and my PC's gone now, so I have to trying to sort that out as well. I'll say I am the old food guy. It's just something to show you there, and I'll buy them again for £10.75 for the lot. See you later. Bye bye.